We're not going Tracer.
No, Hackfist. Look at this. Look at this people here.
We are not. Did you say not or are?
We are. Oh yeah, let's go Hackfist. Fuck it.
No, I didn't say anything.
Look, that's not a Hammond comp.
Look what people pick.
Let Tala go Hammond.
I don't want to let Tala go Hammond. Fine, you can go Hammond, but I'm getting a Farah.
Read through them on first point.
We're going Hammond, Diva, Farah, Genji, Tracer, the other one. Yeah.
Amber Getter.
No.
This is not PTR, Zan.
Diva, please.
I have huge legs right now. I can't understand what Maria says.
Go Diva.
Wait, what did you say?
Go Diva. You know, I have the same fucking feeling every single day. I have no idea what she says.
Shut the fuck up.
And I'm just, okay, woman. I understand.
Rightfully so. Where a
Woman
man
is
fucking
ours,
belongs.
the womanizer, isn't it?
Okay, now I'm gonna press shift and get headshot by a widow.
So in this count, is the favorite the Genji who calls, or is it the ball, or am I?
Agent is Monkey King. Leave Ball to do his thing. The rest of us dive Agent's targets.
Okay.
Or they're all right side?
Just spam shield.
Let's go point.
Yeah, I'm gonna boop them. Boop them. Nice.
Let's go to Rissa.
Staging high ground.
Yeah.
Orisa,
Hanzo's
Orisa,
low.
Mercy in the mega room. I'm on Mercy.
It's closer.
Good hug. No hug.
Oh,
Hug.
hug on point. Good hug. Everybody.
You wanna save that replay. Holy shit, and like, what a combo. Do that every single time and you win every map. Okay.
Okay.
Now do the same thing.
Hammond
They have Hanzo now. They have Hanzo on high ground. Hanzo no emo.
Good hug.
Oh no.
Orisa no Paul.
Break shield. Hanzo's half HP.
Oh, I'm bad.
Oh, one Hanzo dead.
Orisa.
You down main spot.
Then is low. Get
Fuck
Sen.
yeah, I saw it.
On one.
You even?
Come back, Agent, then.
It's a very.
Where's Maria? Oh, she's there.
She died, you.
I literally. What the
I'm body blocking.
Agent, you cockclawed.
Coming
I
back.
appreciate it. I made it.
It's a lot.
Don't make me call you a cunt again, Agent.
Okay, let's go.
I'm ready.
Soldiers.
Watch for the hands, though.
Soldier is right side by himself.
We go Pulse. We go Mines. Pulse and Mines. Pile drive and Pulse.
I'm going.
Soldier,
Soldier get the soldier. Right side.
Soldier
Logo.
Oh,
Whooping them. Ah, sorry.
you through the game.
Hanzo
I'm
no
on hog.
Get talk.
Good game.
Oh, hello, soldier.
You can kill this soldier if you want. Soldier's half in the back.
Yeah, or
Sense zone left side.
Mercy Res.
Let's go to Mercy.
Where's the one?
Bombing.
We're down one. We're even.
Nothing.
Using trans.
We're up one.
Okay.
Soldier.
On card.
They're dead.
Winnable.
Hog not you.
Pulse for the
heal.
healers, for the love of God. We're a dive comp.
Yeah, Mercy. Mercy one.
Mercy right side of the
Mercy,
mega.
right room.
I'm gonna play Winston here.
Me and Moon can get her.
He sucks second.
Only and Orisa on card.
Zenny by now.
Yeah, Zan. Zan
Let's go
one.
on Zen. Let's go on Zen.
Can we dive to Orisa?
Soldier now. Soldier.
Yeah, soldier.
Now Risa. No,
Okay,
the
Mercy.
Mercy again, sorry.
We have point.
Keep the
Hanzo's
pressure.
left side. Hanzo's left side.
Push the Risa. Tower's on the Risa, so are you.
Sorry.
Go. Biggest balls this side of the west.
Mercy.
This side of the west.
This side of the west.
Hawk has no drink.
Yeah. Ah, fed.
A drink.
Agent storing.
Yeah.
No, let's not do that.
Can you please stop flying to me instead of Zan? This is racism. Okay, we go bomb and barrage, please. Pulse bomb, I mean. Bomb as soon as you get it too.
Hog no hog.
Zan low.
Orisa no
Moving
pull.
them.
As soon as the cat rounds this corner, we go for
What's
ults.
up?
Let's go.
Sorry.
Kill box is that second corner.
Zen's one
Did he hit on
discorded.
a card? Did he hit on a card? Soldier one.
Hanzo one.
Yeah, Hanzo's
Okay.
one.
Do not let it rest. Do not let it rest. Do not let it rest.
Thank you.
Oh.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, Maria, I actually thought that Taylor is doing his thing and everybody else focuses on one target, but I got confused.
Yeah, I'm kind of just.
Yeah, sorry, I was totally brainless as well. I didn't. Really...
Same. Tala does the same thing that NQ does. Sometimes he's on
No,
the same
but
target, and sometimes he's on
Yeah,
a different one.
wait, but
And
didn't
that's
you
okay.
say before when we first started that Taylor does his own thing and the rest of us dives one target?
Yeah.
Okay, because I got confused in the end on the last objective when
But
you
then
said
when we're pushing
Taylor's
on a new
diving Orisa,
point-
so do you. Or
Right, but if
Yeah.
the call is,
well,
if the
fucking
call is,
don't get a Hanzo that's run into a tiny room. Get the Orisa that sat there mid with a dick out. Like, come on.
listen, if the call is to follow up on Tala, then we do that in the moment. Like, Tala doing his own thing is a default, like we
Yeah.
mentioned before.
What are we running here?
I don't think you really need to be that specific. Yeah, choose a comp first.
You can
Fuck
do the new default bunker.
Go Clockwork with Ash again.
It's the wrong
Okay.
hero.
Yeah, when I say
So-
clockwork from here on out.
Like if you just dive the same place, same position, and then start screaming targets and swap between targets as they are called, you know, that's enough. Like that's dive for you. Doesn't need to be like that specific. It's not floats anymore. So floats was very specific. Where do you split and go on? But dive is a bit different. As long as you scream the targets in the same position, you know.
There, bro.
Widow, Zen, Hanzo.
Let's
Okay,
shield
watch for
down.
crossfire here, please. What usually
can
is
hold the
that
point.
downfall here is when they start.
Don't give them sidelines.
Zan one.
Pulling.
Down block.
No!
No?
Can you start walling when they
They're
go
coming
to
left,
pull
they're
us?
coming left, they're coming left.
Yeah, I died.
Widow is one.
Anti on the hands up.
Point.
Oh, hog one, hog one.
Yeah.
Do we swap? Do we set?
Okay, so we're keeping this, and I want us to focus on walling when they go to pull us and executing our own pull hooks.
Okay,
Okay?
so we're letting enemy team pull hook first, right? And then we wall it, and then we have a free pull hook.
And we wanna play a bit more
And
closer
we
with
can
me.
wall to conflict as well.
Okay.
But
Can you
let's
push
just
up the
focus on
corner?
no. I hear a widow. She's right side flanking.
Nice, no hook, no hook.
No hook.
Watch the widow flank.
Pulling.
Watch.
Watch
What
for
don't?
what flanks, please.
Widow
Oh, no,
stop
she's
right.
mid.
Ah, there was. Zan.
I'm gonna nanny you here, Tala.
Widow behind.
Anti. Reloading.
Widow's really behind you.
Widow.
Oh, okay, pulled through there. Nice.
Can
I'm
back.
on Orisa.
Orisa, Orisa. Can you push this
Mercy.
Leave her. Oh, I'm lagging again.
Are we holding this corner here?
Yeah, as soon as Tala's back.
Where is she? What?
Probably their spawn.
Where is she?
Go
She
for
was
Bob
in my.
behind them here, and then Piggy ult in front line.
Zen in the mega room.
Hands on top right. We
Brick shield, brick
have
shield.
Valkyrie. They just use sights. There's a Hanzo flanking on high
Hanzo
ground. Hanzo
behind you.
flanking on high ground.
Hanzo's one.
Play a
Can
bit
you pull the
more
mini room?
close.
Can you pull the mini room?
Okay.
Mini room.
Let's see there. Thank you.
Throw one.
If you hold the.
Pulling up.
Focusing shield.
Orisa.
You're getting better at that, Agent. Keep it up, dude.
Only Maria healing.
That's even.
And to break their shield.
Nearly at nano here. I'm gonna nano you.
Am I ult now? I'm dying on cards. Can we reset this? Contest again?
I have a mail, so you can go. I mean,
I need a pop again as well.
I'm gonna supercharge.
I'm back in 5
Go, go,
seconds.
go, 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 go. Ready to push.
Back in 5. Orisa low.
There's a widow on the right side. Widow on the right side.
Hanzo on
Miss
middle
Presley,
right side.
How do I do this? Holy shit.
You're insane.
What's this done?
It doesn't matter anymore.
How do you do this and still miss a Zen?
Widow's still there, she's still right side.
Yeah, she's at the spawn basically.
You go Bob here as soon as we get it, please.
Mhm.
Gonna nano Piggy as well. I hear Widow again.
Oh, they're high ground. They're high ground. High ground.
Can you pull the high ground?
Mm-hmm.
You have sides?
No, shit.
That was a pathetic shit.
They're coming in bridge, they're coming in bridge.
Back of them.
Target someone.
I'm on Hawk. Hawk is low.
Nice.
Widow no grapple.
There's a Mercy in here. She's out. She's
Mercy the
fine.
mini.
She's Discord. She's
How did I
Discord.
miss that sleep? I'm bad, dude.
Widow's on top. I hear her
Yeah.
footprints.
Middle half. I was getting pocketed by Mercy.
They use Valkyrie. They use dragons.
Okay, can we move up a little
Dragon
bit?
Yeah, can we move up a little bit? Because I.
They'll be
in
close to
trans.
trans.
I'll move back a bit, so.
Behind us. Zen is behind us.
Okay, no pull. Let's go.
Widow dead?
That's a Widow.
Oh shit.
Mercy the mini. Mercy low.
Hog no hook. Okay, aggressive male here. Come on, bitch.
How does this wall work? Like, what the?